Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on your mobile. So while using your mobile, you receive ads or any pop-up ads, any type of ads. It's really annoying. So what you have to do is just follow the simple steps which I'm going to show you in this video, and you can disable all the ads in your mobile. So what you have to do is first of all just open up your mobile settings, and in settings you have to scroll down. You will see this option Google. So just tap on this Google, and from here you have to tap on this manage your Google account. So just tap on it and you will see this screen will pop up for you. From here you have to tap on this data privacy, and in data privacy if you scroll down you will see this option personalized ads and my ad center. So just tap on this my ad center. So you will see all the things in which you are interested, and according to your interest Google show you ads. So what you have to do is you just tap on this personalized ads, tap on this on, click on this turn off, tap on got it, and that's it. So like this you can block ads on your Android mobile. So that's it for this video. That's how you can block ads on Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.